Welcome guys to my third video for this channel. I am Esteban Villatoro, and in this video I'm going to tell you my experience of my second year participating in the Science Olympics. So let's start. Okay, 2018, my second year participating in Science Olympics. Let's start from the beginning, the school stage. This year I was more motivated because of my results in the first year participating in the Science Olympics. Also this year only 6 of my classmates participate in the Science Olympic, so since the beginning the competition was very serious. Another thing is that this year I study more, I prepared more because I was more motivated and I know that I can with this competition.
Este muchacho me llena de orgullo.
And yeah, that's the first stage, the scholar stage. So let's pass to the next stage, that is the department competition. Before this exam, I was very nervous because I felt a lot of pressure because the first year I classified to the national competition and I felt the pressure to this second year classified to the national competition again. I do the exam. The exam was very easy because was only multiple choice, and the same day was the awards. In the awards I passed to the next round and I also obtained the third place in the department competition.
A surprise, to be sure, but a welcome one.
Unfortunately, my teammates didn't pass, so I was alone again.
No! No! No!
Okay, let's talk about the third stage, the regional competition. As I tell you in the last video, this competition was more difficult and the exam was more complex. But I had the help of some students of the Promoción 61 that helped me with some topics and explained me the structure of some questions of the exam.
¡Qué buen servicio!
So I was more prepared for this exam. The day of the exam arrived and I was very nervous because the pressure and all of these things. I do the exam and for me the exam was very easy. And I just need to wait for the results in 2 weeks. After these 2 weeks, the university told me that I passed to the final round. So I was very happy because I was in the national competition again. Finally, let's talk about my experience in the final boss, the national competition. As I told you in the last video, this competition is divided in 2 stages. The first year that I participate in the science competition, I could not pass to the second stage, but this year I passed to the second stage. About the first stage, the exam was very easy for me because some questions were the same as the regional competition, so I knew the answer and I think that for this reason I passed to the second round. The second stage was more difficult because it was an oral test, and for me it's very difficult to talk in front other people. I had a bad start because I arrived late to this exam. As I tell you in the last video, there are 3 judges that ask me questions about physics, biology and chemistry. About the topics of physics, I remember that was something about thermodynamic and the law of conservation of energy. The topic of biology was taxonomy, and the topic of chemistry was something about the periodic table. And I think that in this topic I made a lot of mistakes, but I was happy because I passed to this second stage, and this was very important for me. The next day was the awards. I obtained an honorific mention. This is the medal, and this is a certificate Wait. Okay. Also, I had the opportunity to launch with some of the Guatemaltecos Ilustres, and this activity was organized by Seguros Universales, and I think that this activity was an excellent end of this second year participating in the Science Olympics. Okay guys, that's all for me now. I invite you to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to activate the notification. I hope you like this video and don't forget to check my teammates' videos because are very interesting too. So, thanks for watching.